What up, YouTube? This is Repeat Man. Well, this year I'm going to do things a little differently than last year. I know every year I like to do the train horn. I'm still going to do the train horn this year, but I'm going to do something a little extra on top and get my puller dip out of the way while I'm at it. So as I'm doing the train horn on New Year's, I'm going to get my puller dip in. So I'm very smart. I'm wearing a t-shirt and some shorts and shoes. All right, the time is 11:58 p.m. It's almost that time. The alarm clock on the phone goes off. We'll do it. My puller dump and my puller plunge and my noisemaker. It's cold out here, folks. Hope you appreciate this. Thumbs up. Alrighty. Just waiting. Waiting. Took my essentials out of my pockets. Come on. Action. That's it. Happy New Year! Shut up! Oh. That's what my alarm sounds like when there's no air. We're done. Alright, all set. Happy New Year.